Hi, good morning. Alex here with new all-time highs in shares of PayPal. If you wish to know why PayPal today it is the single best performer ever in the financial sector, you should refer to this article. Market legend: no one has ever lost money investing in PayPal. I strongly recommend that you read this article, what no one else knew about PayPal that changed thousands of lives. It is one of the most important articles in the financial industry, which, by the way, contains obviously links to our recommendations to invest in PayPal, and I'm referring to buying millions of shares. We never recommend to buy 5,000 shares or 10,000 shares. You have the investment process in PayPal since IPO discussed on the blog of the company. For example, you can start by playing this video that is available on YouTube, and you can compare it obviously with these companies that they call themselves investment firms. The case of Zacks that recently downgraded PayPal to hold at $82 ahead of new all-time highs, scamming once again Americans. They love it, and therefore they lose money always in the markets. And with this, I terminate. But before I do it, there is other article that I'm going to refer to, which is available also on the blog of the company. We have several blogs, and the title is Extraordinarily Explicit. Your retirement best plan is to invest in Netflix. This article, it was written in 2014, comparing precisely with Crocs in Wall Street. At that time, they were recommending to invest in bubble stocks. Bubble stocks that you have here, the link, they crashed. Meanwhile, in the past years, they melted, okay? These stocks, they never participated in the bull market. So you shall obviously refer to the article, because this article that you have here, it was written in 2014, and is here, as you can see, always live on the tape. We started investing in Netflix in single digits. This was ahead of the split, okay? So Netflix split at 3-1, you remember this? And as of today, Netflix is a stock, one of the best performers ever in the markets worldwide. Therefore, my friends, only an idiot has ever lost money investing in the markets by following the financial advice 100% free of those that they create markets history. And with this, I terminate.